Hello everyone and welcome to Kranthi Residential School situated in Navodaya, Secunderabad. So friends, Jawahar Navodaya examination has been conducted and the key has also been released. Today we are going to discuss the booklet code Z, all the questions related to it. So let's start. Okay, so initially the few instructions were given. The paper was of 2 marks and it consisted of 3 type of tests: mental ability test, arithmetic test, and language test. So we'll discuss all that one by one. So in the first section, mental ability test, we can see that there were 4 questions. Okay, these were the 4 questions and we have to find out which one is odd one out. So for the first question, it's A because it is in clockwise, others all are in anti-clockwise. PQRS is in anti-clockwise. Similarly, for question 2, it is 3 here, 3 here. Okay, 4 here, 4 here. It is same number, but here it is 3 and it is 4. So for second, it is C. For third, it is C again. Why? Because it is A, B, and C. It is TIC, a combination, but in C part it is E, which is odd one out. For fourth one, all the triangles are inward in A and B. A, B, and C, it is inward, but in D, it is outward. So for fourth, the answer is D. Okay, now let's move on to the next part, which is part 2. It consists of 4 answers, and you have to find out which one is exactly carbon copy of the question. So for fifth question, the correct answer is C. You can see it is C part. It is same. For sixth, the same one is D. For seventh, the same one is C. For eighth, the same carbon copy answer is C again. So this is for 6 to 5 to 8. Okay. The next part we have part 3 as in which you have to find out the answer which fits in the missing part. If we substitute the missing part here, it will fit exactly. For 9th, it is C. For 10th, it is D. It will fit exactly into the question figure. For 11th, it is B, and for 12th, it is B again. If we draw this completely, this will be the complete answer. Okay, now let's discuss to the next part, which is part 4. So in this, you have to find out the answer figure among the in which the fourth figure on the left side and complete the series. So first one, see the arrow is upward, upward, upward. So it will be upward again. Here, nothing. The second is down, down. So down again. Third will be down, and fourth will be upward of this circle one. So we have answer figure as B in this question. Okay. Now for 14th, it is B again. For 15th, it is C. For 16th, it is B. Okay. So this is how you are going to find out the answer figure accordingly. Now, for 17th, we have to find in 17th to 20th, which should, there should a relationship between the first and the second part, and you have to find out the fourth part as in relation term to this question. For 17th, the correct answer is C. For 18th, C. The B has a mirror image of this. So E mirror image will be what? The correct answer is A. For 19th, it is B. Okay. B how? Let me tell you, this is the inside figure. Okay. So this inside figure is coming here. Now this inside figure will be upside down triangle. For 19th, the correct answer is B. For 20th, the correct answer is C. How? You can see this is the 2 line which is divided into 4 like this, and inside the circles are filled. So it is also be divided into 4 and inside squares will be filled. So correct answer for 20th is C. For 21st to 24th question, you have to find the figure on the right side that completes the geometrical pattern. Okay. So here you can see if you fill this part, it will be completed. The correct answer will be C. For 20th, if we fill this part, it will become completed, which will be D. For 23rd, it will be B. Why? Because if we fill that part, it will be completed. For 24th, if we fill this part, this will be done. So this is B again. Okay, so for 24th, it is B. Now let's discuss from 25th to 28th. You have to find out the answer figure, which is exactly mirror image. So in mirror image, what happened, friends? The right becomes the left and the left becomes right, and the top and the bottom remains unchanged. So here we have, this will go on the left, this will go on the right. So correct answer is C. For 26th, the same thing will be applicable, but top and bottom will not remain changed. So 26th, it is A. For 27th, it is D. For 28th, it is A. Okay, friends. Again, you just have to see if you divide it into two parts, you will get this on the right, this on the left. For 28, it is A. Now, coming on to the 29th, you have to find out the answer figure when suppose a paper is folded, and when it is unfolded, what will it will come. So it is a paper, it is folded into two half, then into the three half, and when a dot are created, so what will be the answer figure? The answer figure will be B. Okay, correct answer to this question is B. For 30th, it is A. If you fold the figure and if you open it, this you will get the answer as A. For 31st, again, the unfolded pattern will be C. And for the 32nd, it will be C again. Okay, let's move on to the next part, which is part 9. And you have to find in the question number 33 to 36 the answer figure, which can be formed from the cutout pieces. Okay, so for 33, it is A. For 34, it is A. For 35, it is B. And for 36, if you combine all this, you will get A as the answer figure. Now, for this next four questions, which is the next part, 37 to 40, you have to find the answer to in which the question is hidden. So I'll explain you this just somehow. Okay, so this is hidden in this part, which is A. This is hidden in this part, which is B. Okay. Likewise, you have to find the answer. So the correct answer to this question is 37th A, and 38th it is B. Similarly, you will find out for 39th, which is embedded, which is hidden part. Okay. So for 39th, it is B, A, and for 40th, it is A again. You can see it is B. This is hidden pattern. So this was the first mental ability part. Next, we will discuss the questions related to maths as well. So this is the arithmetic section. I'll just let you know the questions and you can match it. So first question is multiple of all the three numbers. The answer is C. For 41st, it is C. For 42nd, the answer for the first form prime numbers, you just have to add and calculate. It will be D. For 43, you just have to find out by the formula, which will be D. For 44th, the answer is B. It will also be calculated by the distance time formula. For 45th, you will do the fractional method and your answer will be C. For 46, you will just add up, your answer will be B. For 47th, your answer will be B, and for 48, it will be A. It is also based on the fraction method, and the 48th is just remainder, you have to find out the largest number by this method. Okay, so 48th, it is A. 49th, the answer is B. You have to apply the gain percent formula. For 50th, the answer is C. You have to apply the profit percent formula. For 51st, the answer is D again. You have to find out through the average formula. For 52, you have to do the cross multiplication. You can get the value of X, okay, which will be B. For 53, you have to just find the expression, solve it by BODMAS, and you can get the answer as C. For 54th, the answer will be B. For 55, the answer will be C. For 56, the answer will be C again. Okay, you just have to calculate it by adding up and multiplying it, and then your resultant will be by the BODMAS formula. For 57th, again, simplification you have to do. The correct answer will be 1, which is B. For 58, you have to find the decimal equivalent, which is C. For 59th, you have to find out by the simple interest formula, PRT by 100. Rate will be 61 by 4%, B. For 60th, you have to find the difference, okay, which will be C. Answer will be C. Third, next part is English language test. The passages are given, you have to find the correct answers. I will just discuss the answers with you. For 61, it is C. For 62, it is B. For 63, it is C. For 64, it is A. These are the answers of the first passage. For 65, it is B. Okay, for first passage. For second passage, 66, B, 67, B, 68, B, 69, C, and 70, D. Correct answer is D. Now, next question, 71. It is also based on passage. So the answers for the 71 is C, 72 is C, 73 is C, 74 is B, and for 75 is A. The next passage is again there. So according to the passage, the answers for 76 is C, 77 A, 78 B, 79 A, and 88 is C. So these are the answers of booklet code Z. I will also share the answers of all the other booklet here. Please make sure to Note it down and match your answers and let us know. In case of any query or admission related procedures, you can call on the above this below mentioned number here, 9030409797. Okay, thank you for listening to us. Have a good day.